How to cancel order on Uber Eats. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. So in today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually cancel your order on Uber Eats. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to cancel your Uber Eats order, all you have to do is just open the Uber Eats application. Then once you launch Uber Eats, right over here you will find this little orders button over here. So you simply want to make sure to tap on the orders tab here. Then just once you tap on the orders tab over here, on the next specific page you'll be able to see a list of orders that you've made on Uber Eats. So if the cancellation is still actually effective, then you can just select that specific order here, and then here you'll find the button that says cancel order. Usually now when it's just too late and when the food has already been prepared, now there could be a fee to actually cancel that order. So keeping that thing in mind, hope this video helped you as to how you can cancel your Uber Eats order. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.